Well, hey there, this is Chase, and you may have just searched for the Google Voice tutorial, a step-by-step video for beginners, which is free. And you're watching this video, and what I have for you is a special page with my video, which is a top-rated Google Voice tutorial. It's step-by-step and even designed for beginners, so you're really going to enjoy this. I did this video. It's been very popular, over 695,000 views on this video, so everyone loves it. Now, as an extra bonus, on this page you can scroll down and learn or discover how to rank simple videos. This is an entrepreneurial option that you may want to investigate, because I do earn ongoing commissions, 80% commission, so you may want to look at that bonus as well. But click the link, or I may have a card up on the top right of this video that will take you to this link to the Google Voice tutorial that you are looking for. And from there, you'll be able to watch this video, get Google Voice all set up. It's a wonderful, wonderful free service. I love it. And so just click the link below and you'll be taken to my video. And I appreciate you watching this. And if you're still watching and you want to look at the video about the ongoing commissions, it should be a end screen video here for you as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.